It's the best day ever. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today we're going to do something that I have tried over and over and over again to come up with the right way to do it.
10 years.
Yes, for so long. And now I have it. So we're going to make these yarn pumpkins. You could add a face to turn into a jack-o'-lantern, but I did not do that with these ones. What you need is some sort of yarn. I have this is orange. And then a balloon. And some gluey water, like a little glue with water mixed in to thin it out a little bit, a sponge brush, and something to put your pumpkin on when it's dripping. Here's another one that I did. I'm keeping them in this plastic cup so that the glue can drip off. So if you can see, the balloon is still inside here, but watch this. I'm going to...
Oh, is this the most fun part?
Yeah, it is, but I kind of put a lot of glue up there, so I'm going to just go in on the side. And of course, I'm a little scared. Okay, so, oops, it's not pull away very well. The other one's just snapped right off, but I may have put too much glue on this guy.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, that was a good one. Okay, just have to get some more air in it.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
I know. And then there will be glue left in the holes, and I just poked some of that out. Oh, look, I got almost all the balloon out. So now, look, now I've got a family of 3 pumpkins here, but I'll show you what we did. So, a balloon, you can have any size. So you decide how big you want your pumpkin to be. I'm going to go this size. Tie it off. You may need to get some help to do this because it's not that easy if you don't know how to tie off balloons. So this is our bowl of glue that we just keep adding more glue to it and water. You can see it right here. So see how it moves around a little bit? That's kind of what you want it to be. But check this out. So I'm going to hold the yarn on here and I'm just going to start wrapping the yarn, so we can try and do it, around my balloon. It's going to be all squiggly all over the place. It's not easy, I will tell you that. When you get started, it's not easy to get the yarn on, but once you start going, it's pretty good. Okay, I'm going to stop right here. I feel like this is an excellent place to stop. So I snip that off, move this over, and now here comes the super fun and exciting part for me, was that I got to just dab. So I dabbed and dabbed. So I'm starting with the end that I just cut so that I can make sure it stays down.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, now this might be my new favorite way to do it. Check it out. Dorothy said, could you put it in the bowl?
Just roll it around the bowl.
Plus I get glue on my hands, which is always a treat for me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Dorothy, this was a brilliant idea.
Yeah.
It's
a
working.
Round bowl too, and
Yeah.
it's much quicker.
Okay, this is better than the sponge brush, I gotta tell you.
Best day ever.
It's the best day ever. Yay, thank you, Dorothy, what a brilliant idea. Okay, hopefully I got enough glue on there. I think I did.
It feels like you kind of got enough glue on there.
Yeah, look at all this glue. Now I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna let it dry, and I'm gonna wipe my hands. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Bye, friends.